Today at Air Oasis, I'm going to walk you through the iAdaptAir control panel. This is our small iAdaptAir. It offers 5 different air purification technologies, all of which can be controlled with a push of a button. The power button controls the on and off features, as well as the UV and ionization technologies. The fan speed has a low, medium, and high fan speed setting. Night mode and child lock dim the control panel lights, as well as lock all the features and functions. Your filter indicator tells you when it's time to change your filter. The timer button offers a 2, 4, and 8-hour timer setting. And lastly, Smart Mode. Smart Mode uses your air quality indicator as well as your fan speed to ensure you always have good air quality. To learn more about the iAdaptAir, check us out at airoasis.com.